अयोध्या, मथुरा, माया, काशी, कांची, अवंतिका, सप्तैते, मोक्षदायिका। अयोध्या, मथुरा, माया, काशी, कांची, अवंतिका, सप्तैते, मोक्षदायिका। अयोध्या, मथुरा, माया, काशी, कांची, अवंतिका, सप्तैते, मोक्षदायिका। Today we are here at Kanchi. It's Moksha Bhumi, where moksha is possible. Moksha, there are 7 moksha bhumis: Ayodhya, Mathura, Maya, Kashi, Kanchi, Avantika. And Kanchi is very special. Kanchi is Jagadambika, Jaganmata. Kanchi refers to Swadhisthana Chakra, our naval center. Naval center is Swadhisthana Chakra. Here we have darshan of Kamakshi today, Mother Kamakshi. Kamakshi is, Kama means desire. She fulfills the desire of all bhaktas. Desire for the worldly object is called bhakti. Desire for moksha is called mukti. Bhukti Mukti Pradayini Jagadambika Kamakshi is here. Let us offer respect to Kamakshi Amma. Ambe Ma, Jagadambe Ma, Ambe Ma, Jagadambe Ma, Jagadambe Ma, हे जगजननी, हे लोक पावनी, हे जगन माता, हे पाप विनाशिनी, हे मुक्ति प्रदायिनी अम्मा जगदम्बा. We are your children. We have come to the holy place of Kanchi. Amma, bestow us your blessings. Bless all of us. Heal us. Purify us. Amma, 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 Amma. You are Karunamayi. You are Premamayi. Amma, Amma. Bless all of us. Fill us with your love. Fill us with your peace. Hey Jagadamba, merge with me as Prema Surupini, as Parabhakti Surupini, as Parashanti Surupini. Hey Jagadamba, make this body mind instrument of your divine will. May this body mind be useful for Loka Kalyana. May many people get peace and bliss and happiness through the service done through this body mind. Hey Jagadamba, this body is yours. This is your Ratha. Take care of your Ratha. Guide us in a proper direction. Amma, Amma, Amma. Raksha Maam, Raksha Maam. Pahi Maam, Pahi Maam Parvati Devi. Pahi Maam Jagadambe, Jagajanni, Katyayini, कल्याणी कल्याण गुणपूर्णी कल्याण गुणपूर्णी लोक पावनी जगद्वंदे जगत माता रक्षमाम रक्षमाम पाहि माम पाहि माम heal me bless me purify me hey Amba bless all of us merge with me as supreme peace para shanti merge with me as supreme love para bhakti merge with me with supreme knowledge para dana hey Jagadamba merge with me energy of action full of action parashakti 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 om shakti om shakti om shakti om shakti om shakti om shakti om इच्छा शक्ति ज्ञान शक्ति क्रिया शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम Now the instruction of this. There are two types of mergers. We are in the Punya Kshetra of Kanchi Kamakoti Pritam. Kanchi Kamakoti Pritam. Kamakoti means desire. Kama Koti means desires are endless. Koti means endless desires. Kanchi Kamakshi, she fulfills the desire of all bhaktas. That's why she is called Kamakshi. Kama means desire. Kama Koti means fulfilling all the desires of all the devotees. That's what Kama Koti, Kanchi Kama Koti means. Jagadamba as Jagannatha, residing in the Kamakoti Kshetram, fulfills the desire of all the devotees. That's why she is Kamakshi. Akshi means eyes. Kamakoti means we have a lot of desires. I want this, I want that, I want that, I want that. The fulfillment of that is called Bhukti. Fulfillment of desires of the worldly life is called Bhukti. Fulfillment of ultimate desire is called Mukti. A person may have koti desires. Even koti desires happen, then another koti will come. It's endless. The koti will become koti. It's never ending. The only way to fulfill all the desires is Mukti. So that's why Kamakshi Amma is Bhakti Pradayini, Bhukti Pradayini, Mukti Pradayini. Mukti means fulfillment of worldly desires. Mukti means freedom. So now Mukti, why should she fulfill Mukti? It is like a child asking for a toy from the mother. Mother will give the toy. Take the toy. Play with the toy. But when the child asks for mother itself, mother will come and hug the child. Mother will come and lift the child. It is called Mukti. Giving a toy is called Mukti. So what are we seeking? A toy or the mother? If we seek the mother, the seeking of the mother called Mukti is seeking of the merging with the mother. I want to merge with the mother. For the merging with the mother, I have to drop me. When the me is dropped, the mother merges with you. Mother merges with you. Mother merges with Jivatma. That's called Jivan Mukti. While you are alive, mother merges with you. It's called Jivan Mukti. But if you merge with the mother, it's called Videha Mukti. Jiva merging with the mother is called Videha Mukti. Mother merging with you is called Jivan Mukti. Mother merging with you is called Jivan Mukti. In mother merging with you, what happens? Your body and mind become the vehicle of the mother, Ratha, instrument of mother. Jivatma becomes one with the Jagadamba. Jagadamba becomes one with Jivatma. That's called Jivan Mukti. So when Jivan Mukti happens, it happens in 4 stages: Salokya, Samipya, Sarupya, Sayujya. Salokya means Jagadamba appears in your loka in the form of vision, in the form of subtle images. Samipya means you feel connected with her. Sarupya means she will appear in your body as various bhava, feeling. These are not emotional feeling, these are devotional feeling. It's called Sarupya. The more and more Sarupya happens, more and more purification of Jivatma happens. Purification of Jivatma body mind complex, which prepares for Sayujya. That Jaganmata, the body of the Jivatma is taken over by Jaganmata, Jagadamba. This is called Jivan Mukti. But Jivatma merges with Paramatma, Jivatma merges with Jagadamba, it's called Videha Mukti. So who merges with whom is the question. First level is Jagadamba merging with Jivatma, it's called Bhava Samadhi. Jivatma merging with the Jagadamba, it's called Antima Samadhi. So all of you are blessed. All of you are healed and purified in Karma Pavitra Kshetra, Kanchi Kaumapudi Purpitas. May Jagadamba merge with you in the form of Parama Shanti, supreme peace. May Jagadamba merge with you in the form of Parama Prema, love for all. May Jagadamba merge with you in the form of Parama Bhakti, Para Bhakti. May Jagadamba merge with you as Parama Dhnana. May Jagadamba bless all of you. Jai Ma Ambe, Jai Ma Ambe, Jai Ma Ambe, Jai Jai Ma, Jai Jai Ma, Jagadambe Ma, Ambe Ma, Ambe Ma, Jagadambe Ma, Jagadambe Ma, Jagadambe Ma, Jaganmatre Namaha, Loka Kalyani Namaha, Parama Pavanine Namaha, Mukti Pradayine Namaha, Mukti Pradayine Namaha, Mukti Pradayine Namaha, Jivan Mukti Pradayine Namaha, Jivan Mukti Pradayine Namaha, Jivan Mukti Pradayine Namaha, Asatoma Sadgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya. Shanti Shanti Purnamada Purnamidam Purna Purnamuduchyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Nanu Nanembudu Nanalla Ideha Manabuddhi Nanalla Sachidanandatma Shivanamnani Shivoham 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 Atmadarshanam Brahmadarshanam Brahmadarshanam Shaktidarshanam ब्रह्मदर्शनम सत्यदर्शनम हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम त्वमेव माता पिता त्वमेव त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव त्वमेव देव मम देवदेव कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रिया बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणेति समर्पयामि।